This is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. Look forward to working with you on your next truck tractor. We're going to do a product review on this 2018 LT625 tandem axle truck. This is the high-rise sleeper with double bunk, as well as featuring the A26 450 horsepower engine with the 10-speed automated transmission. This is a convex hood-mounted mirror, driver and passenger side, West Coast mirrors, aluminum front wheels, Michelin's, 275 80R 22.5-inch rubber, bright finish battery box, jump start stud, bright finish on the DEF tank. This side fuel tank is an 80-gallon fuel tank and incorporates the TRIPAC Evolution. Two-step to get to the 24-inch catwalk, the Thermo King condenser unit on the back of the cab, and glad hands are accessible. Taking a look at our rear tires, we are knee-deep in tread. On the front, we do have a little bit of mismatch on the tread pattern around. Air ride suspension, 275 80R 22.5-inch rubber on the rear. The frame looks in good, clean condition, as do the tires on the passenger side. We are looking at aluminums on the interior and exterior. We have a fixed position fifth wheel, quarter fenders walking around the exterior of the cab. There are work lamps on the back of the cab and on the outside of the side extenders. Passenger side features the 80-gallon fuel tank, bright finish on the step access on the passenger side, and we do have Michelin's on our steer tire of the passenger side with aluminum wheels, again deep in tread. Top of the cab has the exterior Sun Visor. This is, of course, the high-rise sleeper. We're looking at 3 HSD ZTZR 0 JN094990 LT625. Axle ratings are 12,350 on the front and two 20,000-pound ratings on the rear. 52,350-pound GVW rating. National 2000 back cycler, driver's seat, additional lumbar support, side support, vertical, as well as baffles on the lower part of the seat. Block heater before we get in. Take a look at the driver's side door, docket storage, and drink holder. West Coast mirrors are powered, heated. Power windows, power door locks, automatic headlamps, lamp check, work light on, tilt, steering column, steering wheel controls your cruise control and your phone. 6,050 engine hours, 287,476 running miles. Collision mitigation system. Take a look at our alerts. No alerts. The gauges on the vehicle will include the voltmeter and the miles per hour, and does have the axle weight. Currently it's showing at 8470. We have the engine fan, the power divider lockout, your traction control, hill start assist, courtesy lamps, sleeper lamps for the floor, as well as for the upper berth. Turn the air conditioning on the back, increasing the sleeper fan's speed as well. Suspension dump. Parked regeneration, inhibit regeneration. Air conditioning setting is a manual set point. Power point connection, AM, FM, Bluetooth radio. Mount for your cell phone. Trailer brake control. Lane departure on off. Cup holders and storage up underneath for your essentials. Reading lamp on the driver's side, reading lamp on the passenger side, courtesy lamps, passenger door, and our overhead lamp into the sleeper berth. Location for the TV and connection for a TV, ceiling fan, and we have a netted cubby on the top, standard cubby, work table, drawer, and an additional location for a refrigerator should you want to install one. Passenger side, we have the closet, step access to the upper berth, storage location for possibly a microwave, netted storage, wraparound storage around the front as well. fold down upper berth, control for the air conditioning, and accent lamps for the floor. The Thermo King TRIPAC controls are on the driver's side. Thank you for viewing this product review on this 2018 LT625 double bunk sleeper. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Go make it a great day.